How to log in or register for a skyexch account. In order to log in or register for a skyexch account, it is very simple to do so. First, you open up your browser and go to skyexch.com, or you can simply download the app. On the top right hand side, you can see login and join. First of all, if you don't have an account, go to the join option. Enter your first name as well as your last name that you want, right? So go ahead and then make sure to enter that. Once done, click on the next option. Choose your date of birth, the month as well as the year, and then just hit the next button. Now just go ahead and then type in or paste the postal code that you have, and once done you can follow up with a couple of other registration details to create your account. Now if you've already created your account and you just want to log in, then also you can go to the small option that says login from the top. Then when you go to login, you'll find these options. Here you can go ahead and then simply type in your username as well as your PIN. Then you can tap the login button to log in successfully to your account. Sometimes you might have forgotten your details, so you can go to I forgot my details option and you'll be able to reset them as well. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.